Hello guys, welcome back with the Tectonic, with the Tectonic in the addition, not in the additional, but in the puzzle page of Saturday, March the 11th, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles. Sudoku with 1 star. Actually, the publisher has indicated with 3 stars. The Kilo Sudoku I've already solved, and the binary I've already solved, so this puzzle will be my last puzzle for today. It's a tectonic with I don't know how many stars, but this one has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 16 printed digits. This one will be number 6100. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Should be an easy one. 16. Hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Do we have single boxes in this puzzle? No. Dual boxes then. We have here a dual box, there dual box. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. So that box should be a 1 and this box should be 2. Here also a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Do we have triple boxes? Yeah. 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. The 2 and the 3 could be everywhere. Alright. Quadra boxes then. Next question. Here we have a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me see, we have here this shape. Yeah, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have only one shape of this kind. Then the following shape, I believe this is the last shape, the T shape, rotated. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3. So that box has the same number as this box. Right. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 3. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. These two boxes can be 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. Now we have 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be 1, and this box should be 2. Then these two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, 2 numbers left for numbers 2, and the 3, well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes, so the 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box gave me 1, that box gave me 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, 2 numbers left for numbers 4, and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. These two boxes give me 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely 5. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box should be also 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be 2, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 3. Let me mark those, 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be a 1 or a 3. Well, it can be a 1, we have a 1 here, so it should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Let me see. Well, this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I'm thinking. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, we have a 1 here, so it can be 1 there. So the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 5. Well, we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be anymore 5. We have a 5 there. So the only box left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Come on. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I've marked those two boxes with 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be 1. Well. Come on. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes there. I think this box, wait. I need to wait there. 5. Here we have 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. Here also 2 numbers left in this W area shape, 2 and 3. Come on, this is taking too long. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Well, 1, 2, 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 3. This box, 1, 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Let me see. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 4 and the 3. 4 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. 1 star, yes. Easy puzzles, but we solve it again. And I like this. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.